Okay, we removed a pinball machine from the basement, and it's a nice one. I was never a huge pinball player. This was a 1971 version, and it turns out it's a fairly rare one, an Astro by Gottlieb, I think you pronounce it. So first thing to do would be, when putting on the legs, notice that I couldn't get one to go in right, and it turns out it is stripped big time. I know I caused some of this. I don't think I caused all of it, but who knows how many times this has been moved. So from what I understand, there's something special about this machine, something about added ball, and it was made special for New York and Wisconsin, if I remember correctly, who passed state laws about something like this. I don't know the details, but they made, from what I'm reading, 500 of them. It's rare, and because of that feature, it's highly sought after. I just so happened to be able to get it, and we are going to try to get it fixed and working again. If I remember correctly, this is the one that overheated the night before I got married, and I think it was my brother who was playing it. So let's see if we can get it working again and give us some LED lighting and really bring it back to life. Okay, so it'll be a side project. First order of business is to let it dry out. It was in a moisture area, and start cleaning it. You know, maybe just a little gentle moisture and soap, and just see what cleans off and what doesn't. I don't expect it to look brand new or anything. And, you know, we have got to add some type of thing to hold the door, some type of locking, maybe not locking, but I think a lot of it will clean up pretty well. But there might have been, it might have had design in it that had little black marks, because if you look over here, I think that was part of the design. I don't think they're going to come out. I think that was part of the design. So let's keep that in mind. I don't want to scrub hard on it or anything. And then we'll have to do some testing. I'm going to have to watch some YouTube videos. But future project, Astro Pinball machine.